Okay, so very less students have joined now, very less.
Good afternoon, sir. Rishika Mittal present.
Good afternoon, beta. Only...
Good morning, sir. Abhiyas Sharma
Yes,
present.
sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Karthik present. Karthik Khandelwal.
Good afternoon, beta.
Sir,
Good
please
afternoon.
mark Rishika Mittal present.
Sir, have you explained anything?
Good morning, sir. Vivaan Agarwal present.
Now we will start the new chapter, which is rounding numbers in this period.
Sir, it is easy chapter.
Very easy.
Sir, it will be done only in 2 periods. Yes, sir, it is too easy, that's why.
So let others.
Good morning, sir.
join first. Then we will
Sir,
start.
we have completed so many chapters.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Good afternoon.
Sir, I have this. Sir, I have done this in the book.
Okay, very good.
So we have to do it in the book now.
Yes, we have to do this chapter in the book only.
Sir, I have done this chapter.
Okay. Just wait. Let others also join. Let all the students join. Now there are 12 students.
Hi, sir.
Rounding numbers. This you have already done in your previous class also. It was with the name estimation, I think.
Yes, sir. It is
Estimation.
very easy. Sir, now we have to do in.
Yes, sir,
We have
I have
not.
done in book.
This can be done in your book.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so now most
Sir,
of
can
you.
I send on the group pics of the?
Wait, not now. I will ask you when to post, not now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we are starting the chapter, rounding numbers. Okay, let us understand the first question of this exercise 10.8. I don't think there is any introduction required for the chapter because you have already done this in your previous class.
Sir, we have to do in book.
It is very,
Sir,
very,
we
very
have to do in book.
yes, in the book. So A, question A, first
Okay,
part.
sir.
You all have to do this in your book. 62 is the number. We have to round this number, round off this number to nearest 10. Now 62, you will think like this. All of you, please pay attention. What is the method
Sir,
of
60. Sir,
just wait?
60.
The number which is the multiple of 10, which is less than 62. इससे छोटा multiple कौन सा है 10 का 60. And the multiple of 10 which is
427.
greater than 62, it is 70. 62 से छोटा multiple of 10 is 60 and the multiple of 10 which is greater than 62, it is 70. But 62 is near to 60 or is it nearer to 60 or is it nearer to 70? किसके ज़्यादा पास में है? 62.
Sir, yes.
60.
It is nearer to 60. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 60. Got it?
60.
Yeah.
Sir, then 80, then 90, then 430.
So if suppose your number is 61 62. I'm giving you some examples. Or if it is 63 or even 64, then you will write the previous multiple of 10. 60, 60, 60, 60. But if it is 65, 66, 67, 68 or 69, then you will write the next multiple.
They will be from 70.
So in these cases, you will write the next multiple of 10. 70, 70,
70.
70 and 70. Understood all of you what you have to do? 65
Yes,
या उससे बड़ा number होगा, you will move
Yes,
on
sir.
to the-
So we have studied.
Very simple thing.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you all
It is
remember
very easy.
It is very easy.
Sir, done. Sir,
So
done
do-
all the questions.
Do all the parts of question A in your book.
Sir, done.
Let others also do. So I'm waiting for 2 minutes
Okay, sir.
for you all to complete question A.
Sir, done question 10th part 1, part 2 and part 3.
So I have given you 2 minutes. Do all the parts of question A in your book. I'm waiting for you all to complete. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Okay. I have given you 2 minutes. Most of you have already done. Some of you are doing. Okay, so have you all done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we will start question B.
Yes, sir. What can we do in book?
Yes, beta, in the book only. Do it in the book only.
Okay. Okay, sir.
B, question 1. B part question 1 is 68. You have to write the nearest, round off to nearest 100. Round off to nearest 100. So 68 से छोटा multiple of 100. Can you tell me which multiple is smaller than 68? Which multiple of 100 is smaller than 68? Can you tell me? It is 0. The multiple of 100 which is greater than 68, it is 100. तो 68 0 के ज्यादा पास में है या 100 के ज्यादा पास में?
100.
100.
100.
Answer is 100. 100 is your answer, not 0. This is wrong. This is right. Similarly, for let me tell you 8th part of this now. 8th part, I'm going to help you. 8th part 8091. 8091. Multiple of 100.
Sir, can I tell?
Multiples of 100.
Sir, may I test?
8091.
8100.
Smaller
810.
one, the
8100.
the multiple of 100 which
80.
is smaller than 8091 is 8000, and the multiple of 100 which is
8000 and the largest is 8100.
8100.
This is the right one. This is the wrong one.
8100.
So what is your answer? 8100.
1,100.
Yeah. Do all the parts of B. Question B, all the parts, do them. Done all the parts of question B, everyone?
Yes. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
what is the answer of last one?
Yes, sir, and all the parts.
The answer of last one is 800.
Sir,
लेकिन वही वाली बात है ना,
excuse me,
इससे
sir.
पहले तो
Yes, बेटा.
बाथरूम में कनेक्शन भी होना चाहिए इसके लिए.
Yes, sir. I am
Done? Yes, any doubt, anyone?
Yes, sir. I have.
टंकी में
Yes,
अटैच हो.
please
No
ask.
doubt, sir.
No
Vivaan?
doubt.
Sir, sir, when you were explaining the rounding number, sir, I was finding my notebook. So, sir, can you please again explain that?
No problem.
Sir,
I
can
will.
you please again explain question
और
number
वहाँ पे
8?
कोई
Excuse me, sir. I have
Main
the A part.
Yeah, listen. I am going to explain the eighth part.
Sir, we have to do B part or C part.
Even then, Vivan, beta, listen, and all those who have not understood it now. First of all, this you have already done in your previous class. No? So it is a very easy topic, Vivan.
Excuse me, sir.
Beta, listen to me first. Listen.
Sir, we have to do B part and C part also.
No, not C, only B. So I will explain the
So
eighth
we have
part
to do
again.
B part and C part also.
Beta, we have to do only B part. I will explain eighth one again. I will explain the eighth one again. Even then, if anyone is not able to understand, Vivan, you were not there in the meeting in the starting. So what you can do, there is another way. You can see the recording. I will be posting the recording after some time. So you can always see the recording. Still, I am explaining the eighth part again. Okay. Eighth part is 8091. 8091 is the number. Okay. In this number, the multiple of 100, you have to round it off to nearest 100. Round off to nearest 100. So just think of multiples of 100 which are less than multiple of 100 which is less than 8091. उससे पहले 100 का multiple कौन सा आता है? 8000. And the multiple of 100 which is greater than 8091, that is 8100. Now you just have to think which of these two is nearer to 8091. इसके ज़्यादा पास में कौन सा number? Is it 8000 or is it 8100? Obviously, we all know that this is nearer. This is not as near as this one. So what is your answer? 8100 is the answer. Simple. This is what you have to do in all the parts. Okay. Got it?
Sir, please understand the explain the B1 also, please.
First part. First part also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 68 से पहले the multiple of 100 which is smaller than 68. 100 का multiple कौन सा आता है 68 से पहले? That is 0. And the multiple of 100 which is greater than 68, it is 100. Okay, so these are the two multiples. 68 is not near to 0 as it is near to 100. So 100 के ज़्यादा पास में है. What is your answer? 100 is the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir. I understand.
Very good. Okay, now we will do the C, question number C. All those who have not done B, most of you have already done B. So those who are still doing, they can just pause their work. Pause your work if you are already, if you have not done B, question B, then please pause your work for some time.
Sir, I have done the C part.
So C, question C we will do. Now we have to round off to nearest 1000. Round off to nearest 1000. 5, 6, 7, 9. 5679 is the number. 5679 is the number. So 5679 इसके बारे में आपको सोचना है. The number which is the multiple of 1000 which is less than 5679 is 5000. और इससे बड़ा वाला कौन सा है? That is 6,000. So these are the two nearest multiples
Sir,
of
600.
What is your answer?
6,000.
6,000 is the answer. So 6,000 is your answer. Suppose, okay, let me tell you the eighth part also. All of you, those who have done the first part, please concentrate on the eighth part. Even if you have not done the first one, look at the eighth one. 6,500 is the answer. 6,500 के केस में क्या करेंगे?
7,000.
7,000.
6,499 तक अगर
11,000.
go to
7,000 is the answer.
बट अगर 6,500 आ जाता है, 6,499 तक अगर है तो आप पीछे चले जाएंगे. If it is 6,500 or greater than 6,500 तो आपको कहाँ जाना है? आगे जाना है. 7,000. So what is your answer?
7,000.
7,000.
Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Start doing all the parts.
Sir, I have done till 12.
Sir, may I do question first of 10.2?
No, beta. Let us first do all. Let all the students complete. Then we will start the second exercise. Not now.
Sir, please explain C part again.
Okay, beta, I will explain the C part again. Both these questions or only the any particular one?
Sir, anyone.
Anyone. So you have to round off this number to nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. The number is 5679. So write both the multiples of 1000 which are near to 5679. The smaller one is 5000. This is a multiple of 1000 and the greater one is 6000. इससे बड़ा वाला multiple कौन सा होगा? 6000. So these are the two nearest multiples of 1000. Okay. Now this number is nearer to 6000 or to 5000. किसके ज़्यादा पास में है? This is obviously nearer to 6000. So whenever the number is 5500 or greater, 5500 या उससे बड़ा होगा, then you will write 6000 as your answer. And if it is 5000, it is less than 5500, then you will write 5000 as the answer. Okay, so this one is greater than 5500. Answer is 6000. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Similarly, we have to do the second part also. All the parts.
Sir, I was disconnected. So, sir, can you please tell what we are doing?
We are doing.
Sir, I have done B part.
Me too.
And sir, after that, what we have done?
C part. Do the C part.
Okay, sir. Sir, done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Sir, answer of fourth one is 16,000.
Answer of fourth one. Fourth one, yes, the answer is 16,000.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, next. Question A, sorry, exercise 10.2. Let us move on to exercise 10.2.
ये नहीं चल रहा।
Question A. Have you all done this? All the parts of question C?
Sir, exercise 10.2 we have also done in the book.
Yes, you have to do that exercise also in your book.
Okay, sir.
Sir, many of the exercise we have to do in this chapter, many of the exercise we have to do in book only. Like round of the nearest 10,000.
Yes. Till now we have done both the exercises in the book.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I think all we will do in book only and only word problems we will do in copy.
Yeah. Are there any word problems? Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta. Yes, tell what is the problem? Any doubt?
Excuse me, sir.
Beta bolo, I am waiting.
Sir, I was disconnected due to a network problem.
Sir, we have to do exercise 10.2 in book.
Yes, you have to do exercise 10.2 in the book. Who is this? This is Vivan or some other student? (10.2) Exercise 10.2. Question A. We have to now round off to nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000. 10.2 question A. First part. The number is 3,61,532.
500.
So you have to round off this number to nearest 10,000. Okay, so I'm writing the number here. 361,532.
Sir, is the answer in the 3,61,000?
No, beta. The nearest multiple.
Sir, the answer is 3,70,532. No, sir. 3,70,000.
नहीं बेटा, listen to me.
Yes, sir.
3,61,532. So इससे छोटा the multiple of 10,000 which is smaller than this number, it is 3,60,000. This is the smaller one, and the greater one, it is 3,70,000. Okay, 10,000 में जब हम बात करते हैं, how many zeros are there? In the number 10,000, how many zeros are there?
Sir, 3 zeros.
4 zeros.
40.
So how many zeros should be there?
4 zeros.
There should be 4 zeros in both the numbers. Okay, so 3,60,000 and 3,70,000. किसके ज़्यादा पास में है? It is more near to 3,60,000.
3,60,000.
Yes, so answer is 3,60,000 is your answer. Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
So can you do all these parts now?
Sir, how is it 3,60,000?
Because this number is nearer to 3,60,000. इससे ज़्यादा compare करें तो हम इसके ज़्यादा पास में. You just have to look at the first digit. 0 हमने किसकी जगह लिखा है यहाँ पे? 1 की जगह लिखा है. So 6 के बाद first digit कौन सा है? That is 1. अगर ये 1, 2 या 3, 1, 2, 3 या 4 में से कोई भी digit है, तो your answer will be 3,60,000. पीछे चले जाएंगे. If this digit is 5 or greater than 5, अगर ये वाला digit जो है वो आपका 5 या फिर 5 से बड़ा होगा, then your answer will be 3,70,000. Simple सा logic है. Got it? I told you a trick. Okay, so I'm giving you some time to do all the parts. Okay, so have you all done all the parts of question A? We will continue with the chapter tomorrow. We will continue this exercise tomorrow. The time is up. Okay.